Hi, my name is Raymond Levine, and I want to share a story with you. Perhaps this will encourage you with the importance of why it's essential to have a long-term care plan. Recently, my wife and I returned visiting longtime friends in Rhode Island. Our friend Arthur is using Medicare authorized hospice care because of prostate cancer. While visiting Helen and Arthur, it reminds me of why owning a long-term care plan matters. Medicare hospice pays for trained physical therapy staff, medical supplies, equipment, home health aides, and visiting nurses. Even with Medicare hospice, most of the caregiving is Arthur's wife's responsibility because the hospice staff are not available every day. Helen's tired, afraid, and because she is transferring Arthur from bed to wheelchair to other places in the house, she now has arm and shoulder problems. Arthur's wife is responsible for scheduling doctor visits, resupply of pharmaceutical items, the laundry, dressing him, and other numerous tasks. Helen also has to keep up with their morale. Now, Arthur and Helen are fortunate because they are a happy couple and are kind to their care professionals who visit their home. They have no choice who is the care specialist. They have to accept who is scheduled to visit their home. Now, some people are comfortable with care staff who are strangers to providing care and medical services. However, others are more cautious and even afraid to have people sent by an agency they don't know or have the opportunity to choose. Owning a long-term care plan provides resources when you may choose where your professional care assistants or you can accept whom the hospice or Medicare agency recommends. When it comes to your care, do you really want to rely on who chooses you, or do you want to have your spouse or family member hire people you want for your personal care services? People who have chronic illness or are frail feel vulnerable and afraid. My name is Raymond Levine, and I'm an extended care benefits advisor. Book an appointment now to find out more about caregiving planning for 2020. Click now. There's nothing to buy. It's a free personal session meant to help you plan for an important event, your caregiving, and whether you want the flexibility to hire experienced caregivers whom you feel comfortable. Pleasant today.